that this equation tells us V V is equal to E minus IR, that s- the energy we get is less than the energy, chemical energy inside the cell, because some work is also done while moving the charges inside the battery. So the energy we are getting is less than the maximum energy available. Pehli cheez we get this. The other thing is that this potential difference here is called the terminal potential difference. So this is the same as the potential difference across R. So V is equal to IR, this is equal to this, and this is the terminal potential difference in this same. Acha, then what does this mean? This means that if you see this graph, what does this show? What is this graph? This graph is the terminal potential difference with I. That means, what do you mean by this? That means if I increase in this, if this is the small r, this is capital R, that means if I go on increasing I, if I increase I, that is this, the terminal potential difference decreases. The terminal potential difference. So at this point, this is EMF. Why? Because I is zero. I is zero. And as I am increasing I, the terminal potential difference is going on decreasing. This value is going on decreasing. The terminal potential decreases if I increase I. Why? V is equal to E minus IR. So if I increase I, V will decrease. So this graph, acha, then what about this graph we did in class 10th? This graph. This is across, this is across the resistor. This is across the resistor. V I increase, I get more I. So how is this different? Because see the difference in the graph. This graph is V I. This is terminal potential difference for the same resistance. That means, what is this graph? This graph was that I am changing the battery. In this, I am changing the bat. I am changing the battery. I'm not changing the if I change the cell, adding cells, then more V, more I. But here what is happening is the same battery, same cell. I'm increasing I, so the potential difference decreases. The battery is giving less potential. The more we derive, but how do I get more I? By using another graph. What is this? This tells me that if I increase R, then the terminal potential difference goes on increasing. Why? Why? Straightforward. V is equal to epsilon minus IR. V is V is equal to IR. Acha. If I is equal to epsilon I plus R. R plus R. If I increase R, if I increase R, then I decrease I. And if I decrease I in the V and I graph, if I decrease I, the V increases. That's why if I'm increasing R, as I'm increasing R, that means I have the cell. I have the cell is with a small. I am just taking different. I've got a variable resistor here. I'm going on increasing R. The more R I increase, the more terminal potential difference I will get, because the current will reduce. देखो, R increase, I decreases, and V terminal potential difference increases. And when R is infinite, I is zero, V becomes equal to EMF. This is what happens in this graph. This in this graph. This is what happens in this. If if I increase decrease I to zero, then R must be, it is open circuit. This means, why? That means I, no, no, forget about Ohm's law. This is terminal potential difference and not Ohm's law. So, देखो, if I is 0, that means R is infinity. This is open circuit. In open circuit, V is EMF. And in closed circuit, if I reduce R, then I will increase, then the potential difference will decrease. And this is what happening here. If I am in this, देखो, हाँ, if I am increasing I, terminal potential difference goes on decreasing. Which left? This left? Which left? This graph, we are not changing, we are adding new batteries. This is V and I, uh, this is V and I across the resistor. We are increasing V by adding batteries. Not, this is not terminal potential difference. We are adding batteries. We are this is different case. And in this, here we are increasing I by reducing R, because I depends upon, here I I depends upon, I is equal to EMF R plus R. So if I decrease R, then I increase I. So here we are decreasing. Hmm. We always learned. We never learned till class 10th that we thought we were independent, R was independent. But no, EMF is independent. V depends on R, and we also, terminal potential difference depends on R and depends on I. More R, less I, more more, मतलब कि terminal potential difference depends both on I and R. EMF is constant. That is why you see this, see this difference. नहीं, see the difference first. देखो, see the difference in what he's trying to explain here. What's the difference between EMF? EMF is the around this is, it is a constant quantity. It is depends on the nature and the composition. It is a very depends on the value of the external. This is the most important line. It depends on the value of the external. Capital R, not small r. And it is the closed circuit, when the actual closed circuit, and this is when it is in open circuit. So that I told you, EMF becomes V when R is infinite and I is 0.